All right, I'm the Flatratemaster, and let's talk about my review of the updated Gen 2 Stubbies. Are they worth it? Short answer is, well, yes. If you don't have the Stubbies already, get the Gen 2 if you're going to buy them. Awesome tools. Now, one of the things I figured out while actually demoing this tool and using it is I really don't switch power settings much. I really don't. In case you don't know, in order to change power settings, there's no physical button on the top of the device. It is now, you put the gun in neutral and then you pull the trigger twice. And that resets it to whatever power level you want. Actually, it works out way better for me that that's the system they use, because it's pretty rare that it'll go in neutral and I'll hit the trigger twice. So actually it fixed a complaint I had on the old ones, is randomly I would nudge the button and it would change power levels, and all of a sudden, especially hated the third level where it'd do the break it loose and then slow spin off. I hate that. Hate it on every gun I've ever had from Milwaukee. So I'm actually really happy they changed it. Again, I don't switch power levels, and the fact that I never accidentally switch power levels is awesome, because I just don't. I've never had it accidentally switch unless I was playing with it on camera, because it's either in forward or reverse. That's it. Like I said, if you have a Gen 1 Stubby, unless it's starting to wear out, power level is a good bit better, but I don't know if it's worthy of spending the new money to get it in this economy. Might be better suited to spend money somewhere else. But if you're going between the Gen 1 and the Gen 2, definitely pick up the Gen 2. They're just that much better. So hope you enjoyed this review of the Gen 2 Stubbies. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flatratemaster.